Clems.
I'm T.
And we are here now in line. We're coming to you now in Orlando on our way to Walt Disney World. Ooh. So first and foremost, we got to surprise our niece our niece Zoe, right? So the backstory is she first doesn't know that she's going to Disney World, let alone that we're tagging along too. So we're trying to surprise her, we're trying to catch her reaction. There were a couple of close calls at the airport back at O'Hare, so it was pretty funny. So yeah, I mean, we're here at Disney. A couple things we want to do. We want to do another Clemsty Food Tour, try all the foods, at Epcot, all those things, try all the booths and everything. A couple places. We're staying at 2 resorts, Art of Animation and Beach Club. And we're here to ride the rides. So, yeah, so thanks for coming along. We're here to have, we had a good time. A real good time. Hey! Anywho, so come on along. Mahna Mahna. Okay. GoPro, stop recording.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, so anyways, so we're going to work.
Let's do this. He's like, I knew you guys were here.
I didn't know.
I was doing her and she wouldn't look at the phone. She was like mad I'm not
I didn't know that they were coming.
Show them your magic band, so.
Where are we going?
She doesn't know where we are.
Where are we going?
Where are we, Zoe?
I don't know.
What do you see? Did you know I was on the plane with you? You didn't even see me?
I didn't even see you. I didn't say.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I've got 5 of them.
I didn't know.
You didn't know? What's going on?
Uncle,
Galina.
you
Coming back to
Auntie said work, then you said vacation, then I didn't know that you were here, then you were walking by then and said.
Yeah. Really? What do you see? Yeah, where do you think we're going?
Zoe, come here.
Tell mommy. Go.
Where are we going?
Go. I don't know. Zoe, where are we?
Surprising Zoe that she's 1, she's going to Disney, 2, that we came along. That was earlier. But we're hungry. We are at the Riviera Resort here. We have dining reservations for Topolinos, but very nice. We'll just kind of take a look it's raining, so we kind of missed out going on the Skyliner. But we are here. We're gonna explore the Riviera Resort and then go get some food.
Excited!
Alrighty. Yeah. Mahna Mahna. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Wow. Very nice. Nice lobby. Look at that. So over here they have the movie posters for the different movies. This is Frozen. This is Zootopia. Look at that. Inside Out. Moana. Finding Dory. Look at that. A piccolito. Sorry. A piccolito. Alright. Wow. Cool, cool. Here we are. Just like in real life. We're heading to the top.
Reservation at the top.
Look at that.
Topolinos Terrace.
Wow, look at the bread service. All I got was, she said, bread and olive oil from afar.
Olive oil imported from France. Very fruity flavor, she said. Look at the bread. It's like a baguette, she
It's
said.
like a baguette.
How cute.
It's like a corn.
Let's try.
Let's try it.
Taste the fruitiness when you like just put it in. It's really good. That was really good olive oil.
Let me dive right in here.
Don't you love the music?
It's like it's real. Yeah, you can taste the fruitiness from the olive oil. Piccolito.
That's good olive oil. That's good bread.
That's a piccolito.
So far, so good. Gnocchi? Duck gnocchi?
Duck confit gnocchi. Let's try this.
It's really good.
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Like duck confit.
Yummy. Gnocchi. I love gnocchi.
I love feet. Right? What does it taste like?
Like duck.
Like duck?
It's good.
Right? It just
I think there's like
explodes.
mushroom in it.
Just explodes.
And like the gnocchi like isn't heavy like some other gnocchis that I've had before. It like almost like melts in your mouth.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's so good.
Cheers.
This is the duck. Ooh, hot. Hot. It's really tender. It's good. This is the heirloom tomato panzanella. Focaccia, olives, pine nuts, cucumber, and red onions.
And this is me.
Clems.
What do I grab? Some bread. It's a crouton. Look at the tomato.
It's a focaccia.
Focaccia. I'll grab the tomato and see what flavors join me. Cheers.
Oh. Try the focaccia.
The focaccia.
Oh, listen to the music.
It's very nice, very refreshing, very earthy with the 2 colors of tomatoes.
Oh yeah, there's green tomatoes.
It's a green tomato.
Cool.
I say it's very apicalito.
Oh my gosh, it's the same word you're using the whole time to describe every food item you are trying. Good job. I'm assuming this is just a pour. Oh, what's it called?
What was on there the whole time?
I don't know what that is.
What was underneath?
BJ, answer this question. What is this? It's a tomato, probably? Look at these little tomatoes. They're so cute. All right, a little bit of focaccia, some tomato, some cucumber. Oh, I lost the focaccia. Cheers.
Right? How would you describe it besides apicalito?
Very flavorful.
Flavorful, I'll take that.
Seasoned very well. Oh, these grilled onions are really good.
Very good.
They're like, they have like a sweet taste to it. But it's nice. It's a nice, like, refreshing taste after
Right?
having the duck.
Yeah, refreshing. See, I was right. Apicalito.
What does that mean? It's gonna be for my leg.
Yeah, so I kind of spilled water.
On me?
Yeah. And the whole time you're just like, okay, let me make sure my vesties work so my feet don't get wet.
And
What
my
about-
pants.
What about your leg? Oh, sorry. My bad. Okay. All right, let's start this again. It's like a boxing match. And in this corner we have Tomahawk veal chop. And in this corner we have Lobster Linguine.
Look how pretty that is.
Look at that. Look at that.
Should I try?
Alrighty. Give it a go. Lobster Linguine.
I don't want to like ruin it. So this is squid ink. And this is like a pea puree.
A pea
And then this
puree.
white stuff is like a champagne, some champagne thing.
thing. I love it.
All right, let's just try the noodles first because they said it was like a lobster bisque kind of sauce.
Cheers.
That is really good. I love lobster.
What flavor do you get right out of
Lobster.
lobster? Okay, good
It's
answer.
like I said, it's kind of like a lobster bisque kind of sauce.
Uh-huh.
So like the soup.
Very good.
Let's try this. Pea puree is good. This squid ink is like a crunchy, like a chip. And then this thing,
Ooh.
it's like a champagne puree kind of thing. I don't even know what it is. It's good though. Next.
Next.
That's why
Okay.
that thing is nasty.
So tomahawk veal chop. Veal is French or Italian for a baby cow or something. I don't know. Let's try it.
What are you doing?
It's a little rough. Let's try this.
It's cooked to medium.
Cooked to medium. Veal, so baby cow. Sorry, buddy.
Tender. Juicy. Flavorful.
Good job.
Is it gamey?
It's all gamey, but it's pretty good.
What's that?
This one?
Mashed potatoes?
Something like that. It's actually potato spring onion gratin.
Oh, try it. Ooh, look at all that cheese.
I got all cheese. Cheesy, potatoey, lemony goodness.
Ooh, lemony? I gotta try. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. Stop recording, GoPro.
Alright.
13 years of just dating. Of just being together.
Being together.
So they gave us a little dessert. It's a Madeline. It says happy anniversary, and then I think that's like a brownie or a chocolate cake.
Like a brownie or something like that.
That was really sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Angela. Wow. Look at that. Tumbling, freewheeling through an endless diamond sky. Okay, we just had our meal at Topolino's Terrace. We are at the Terrace at Topolino's Terrace. We really enjoyed the meal. It was really good. Look at the view. Wow, and the music.
So pretty.
I know, so pretty. Okay. Food was great. Almost like a California grill. Very, very nice. We really liked it. Definitely recommend. It was very apagalido.
Oh my god.
It's very good. Okay, until the next meal. See ya.
See ya.